Wind is a clean and efficient way to generate energy. Now let's learn some more from our friend, Professor Nick.
The way wind turbines work is as the blades spin, it spins magnets around inside of the motor. These magnets brush past copper coils, which generate electricity, which can be used to power things. The way we can measure the efficiency of a wind turbine is through things like voltmeters, which can tell you how many volts something is generating. Wind energy. Wind energy is not a new thing. It's been around since 640 AD, when it used to be used for grinding wheat. More recently, it's used to generate electricity to supplement our electrical grid.
Check it out.
In the future, we can hope to see wind energy becoming less expensive and more efficient than other forms of generating electricity. On the political side, wind turbines are great for showing people that there are ways to generate green electricity and prevent further climate change.
In the United States today, around 60% of our power comes from burning fossil fuels, whereas only about 6% comes from renewable wind energy, 10 times less. Every year in the United States alone, roughly $1 trillion, yes, with a T, is spent to maintain fossil fuel energy. If you compare this to the meager $3.5 million it costs to produce and install a utility-scale wind turbine, the more cost-effective route is clear, not to mention the fact that the cost of upkeep on these turbines is negligible. If we were to spend as much money constructing wind turbines as we do burning fossil fuels, $1 trillion, we could build almost 300,000 wind turbines per year. At that rate, electricity from fossil fuels could be completely replaced by wind in under 2 years. You may wonder then, why are there only 52,000 utility-scale wind turbines total in operation in our country, when we could be building literally hundreds of thousands and kicking climate change's butt in just 2 years? The answer is corporate greed. Oil giants like ExxonMobil, Shell, and BP are heavily invested in the fossil fuel business, and they're doing everything they can to keep it the #1 method of reducing electricity. If these companies were smart, they would diversify and spend some of that insane cha-chang on wind turbines, so in a matter of years they could cut expenses by billions of dollars as well. Then maybe we could put some of that money to better use.